Hello, everyone. Welcome. I am the Crypto Libertarian, and this is a deep dive into Vortic United. And I'm going to explain to you why it is that they had rug pulled. And if you guys don't know what rug pull is, it is basically they just took your money and gone. They're gone. That's it. They don't pay you back at all. There are a couple disclaimer before I start. First of all, I had never been a part of this company here. No money in it at all. Don't even have an account with them. And yes, our organization, Scam Alert Global, had also issued fraud warning into this. And underneath on description, you see our page and our warning right on Facebook. So let's jump right into this and why it is that we had issued fraud warning into this and why that they have already rug pulled. So that way you don't fall into these kind of stuff. Okay. And also feel free to hit the bell and subscribe to this channel as well. Right. So the first thing I look at when it comes to any kind of financial company that gives you passive income, like Vortic United had promised, I look at down here in the footnote. Do you see anything in the footnote except for terms, condition, privacy disclaimer? Nothing, right? The reasoning for that is by law, they actually have to have financial regulator registration. All the information in the footnote. They don't have it, right? That's a huge warning sign right there that they're actually not registered. And what does it mean? Is that they're not audited. They don't have a third party audit to see everything's good and everything's legit. That's a big warning sign, number one, right here. And number two, this is Jensen Robles. Don't know who he is. I had never seen anything with him, even heard of him. So assume that this person is real. I'm going to copy, paste his name, see what that is. Outside of the company, we see that behind LM also issue a little something called, also as Rene, I don't even know what's his last name. But let's see what behind MLM said. I usually don't even look at them, but let's just say they are the same person. Rene something. I don't think they're the same person. I highly doubt it. But let's just say that they're right. Okay, that is a little weird. But I don't think Jensen Robles is legit and it's even his real name because of the fact that I cannot find him anywhere. There's no digital footprint anywhere. And if they can really promise you, give you, for example, 1% return day or 0.8% return day and compound interest, he'll be all over every financial news. If you can do it legitimately. And he'll be richer than Warren Buffett. He won't even need to ask you for your money and invest. This is simply not even possible. The next thing I look at, even just on the homepage alone, is right here. Do you see any address? No, right? So in this website here, well, on this YouTube channel here, so Passive Crypto Crew claim that they have been in Turkey. They walk through Turkey. Great, awesome. But we still don't have an address. So where are they really? Are they in the entire country in Turkey? All these transparency information, they have to be here. So that is another red flag I'm seeing right now. I have also found that yes, they have a business registration in England, in the UK. It's right here. But here's another problem. Any monkey with 20 quid can register for a business in the UK. It means nothing. If they're really legit, they need to have FCA registration, and they do not. Why FCA? As a British citizen, I'm going to let you know why. Because FCA will do an audit on a company and grant them license. Audit makes sure that everything is accounted for, the number and everything. And on top of that, if they're registered with FCA and if you're a British citizen, what happens is that if a company goes under, rug pull, whatever, A part of your deposit is guaranteed by the Bank of England. So you're putting 100% of the risk into this just by putting your money into this company right here. And it's absolutely ridiculous that people actually do that, and they're still continuously putting money into this until now that they're rug pulled. So it's absolutely not sustainable at all. So you have to be very careful when it comes to something like this, right? So this is why we have a fraud warning right here. And you can read all about this, what we wrote about back in June 28th, actually. That's when I wrote about this and why it is that we are saying that this is a scam. And beside, if they're not audited, the only money that's coming into the company is your deposit and someone else's deposit. And what's going to happen? Robo Jensen took off with most of your money. We'll probably give a little bit of money to top promoters like these guys over here. See that? I circled these two guys right here. Mike Donaldson, Mike Lucas, Shohan. These people right there, they're the usual suspect. And then they know that's a scam. Only way you know you can make money out of this is that these people know that they're a scam. And they will rug pull anytime, anytime soon. So they just promote the hell out of it, take off, they make a little bit of money. The Robo Jensen guy made a whole bunch of money. And kumbaya to you. Sayonara. That's it. So be very careful. So a couple rules I have when it comes to crypto investment is that first of all, if it's too good to be true, yeah, bye bye, get out there. Second thing, I have no problem with MLM company, multi-level marketing. I actually promote and support multi-level marketing company and business and reg. Okay? But if they don't have legitimate product that you can hold on to your hands, then you have a problem right there. Third problem, the whole idea of MLM company is that you're buying low, you're buying half price and sell at retail price. That is how the model works. That's how Walmart work, how London Drugs, all these different company work. And what is the upsell value of a $20 bill? Nothing. So if they're having it tied with investment, it just doesn't work at all. And finally, if you search their domain on Whois, you see Namecheap, yeah, you want to run out there because 99% of the chances we've seen a lot of different scams have their domain registered on Namecheap because it's cheap. They don't have their own server and it's not secure. You're gonna put your money in a company that doesn't even have a secure server? Are you kidding me? And this is what's going on. Okay. All right. So stay safe out there. If you see anything like this, run. Ciao for now.